Hey, Jeff Wickersham with bonus video number 1. So as adults, as humans, I think we overcomplicate the heck out of things. And what I want you to think about and start thinking about and processing in your mind is small changes lead to big results, right? Small changes lead to big results. Many times in life, we are not far off from where we want to be. And it's just these little tweaks that we can do that have profound impacts on our results and what we get out of life. I love to think about the 1% rule. So I don't know if you've heard about the 1% rule before, but the rule states that if you get 1% better each day for a full year, you'll be 37 times better at the end of that year than you were when you started. So think about that. I mean, really take a few minutes to wrap your mind around that. 1% better. Could you get 1% better each day? I think, and I'm sure you're thinking to yourself right now, I absolutely could get 1% better, right? If I'm doing 100 push-ups, could I do 101? Just one more rep. That's 1% better. If you did that over and over each day, you'd be 37 times better at the end of that year. So if you think about that 1% rule, just trying to get 1% better each day, those small little changes can have huge results in your life. So I want you to write down a couple areas in your life that you really want to focus on, that you want to get 1% better each day. And then I want you to think of, how am I going to get 1% better each day? Is it one more reps as far as push-ups or air squats or sit-ups if you're exercising? Right? Think about those types of things that you can do to get 1% better. Right? When we see a goal, often we are at the bottom of the mountain. And you're looking up at this huge mountain, you're wondering, how the heck do I get there? And what happens is the mind keeps you in the safe and certain place that says, oh my goodness, that looks way too big, way too far to climb. Why even begin? Right? Why even begin? And what happens 9 times out of 10 is you don't start. When all you need to do is take one foot and take a step. And then tomorrow take another step and get 1% better each day. I mean, the rule of compounding, right? The compound effect is just amazing when you think about it. 1% better each day over a full year, 37 times better than you were when you started. I mean, you'd look back on yourself and say, who is that person? So when you're thinking about your goals, when you're thinking about the things you want to achieve, just think of small changes you can do, and do them repeatedly over time will lead you to the results you want. I appreciate you watching this bonus video number 1. Go ahead to bonus video number 2. Have a fantastic rest of your day. Rise, fight, love, repeat, and I'll talk to you soon.